In this video, I'm going to show you two strategies that I use when I'm trading to make me an amazing income on a daily basis. So let's look for a signal and let's get started. So here I've found a signal on this chart and I've just placed a $1,000 trade to say that the price would go up. If this trade comes in, then we're in the money. If the trade goes down, then I've just lost $1,000. But if I make this trade right, I've made $920. There you see. So let's now look for another signal. So I've changed my strategy now, and what I'm looking for is for the price to go up on this chart. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a series of trades here at 200 a time. This is a 92% return on investment. So if this trade comes in, I'm going to be in a lot of money. So we'll just keep this open while we're waiting for this trade to come in. If you look in the top of the screen there, you can see that that's flickering red, orange, green, and that will tell me whether I'm going to be in the money on this trade. So we made on the first trade $920. This trade is a completely different strategy I'm using here, and if you want to learn these strategies, then below this video you're going to find a link, and I teach this stuff. It's completely free. It's a free course, but I'm only want to teach those people that are serious about making an income trading. So any moment now this trade should finish out. It looks like I'm going to get this trade as well, and so we're upping our income as we go along, and I'm not going to stop here. I'm going to do some more trades. So there you go. There's the trades starting to come in. You can see them in the bottom right hand corner. So we're flying along now. So what we're going to do is we're going to look now for another trade, and I just want to check the signals. The indicators that I use here, I'm just checking these, and as I say, if you want to learn this stuff, you'll find a link below the video that will take you over to a page where you can pop your name and your email address, and I'll send you my training videos completely free. It's not going to charge you a single penny. So let's just see. I think we've got another signal coming up in a moment that we're going to place a trade on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say that the price is going to go down here. And let me just wait a moment before I get in. Yeah, I'm going to get in right here. It's another $1,400 I'm doing here. So I'm doing 200 slots there. And as you see, I did that quick fire gun there. Saves me changing it for one, for one amount. I can do it quickly with this. But this type of strategy that I'm using here suits this type of trading. So let me just check again the signals here. I just want to check to see if my order's going to come in. It's looking pretty good, I must admit. And again, if you want to learn this type of stuff, you'll find a link below this video, and that will take you over to a page where you can put your name and your email address, and I'll send you my free video course. This trade's looking very promising again. So I'm just going to wait. These are 1 minute trades I'm doing here, so that's why I might be rambling, because I want to keep it on the screen so that you can see these trades coming in live. So I think any moment now they're coming in. As you can see them in the bottom right hand corner. So I've got another winning trade there. So it looks like I could have another trade here. This one, I think the price will go down, but I just want to check. I'm not 100% sure yet. So let me just check my indicators, because I want to check them on a couple of different views here. And I'm doing the 5 minute candles and the 1 minute candles. Yeah, this looks promising. So I'm going to place another $1,400 to say that the price is going to go down. If you want to learn this stuff, you'll find a link below the video. I've got a free video course where I teach you this stuff, and I'm teaching new strategies all the time that I'm using. Now these strategies work absolutely brilliant. I know sometimes I ramble when this video's on. I do apologise, but I'm just checking, keeping an eye on my trade here. So again, this trade here, if it comes in, we're in the money. And if it doesn't, I'll lose the $1,400. But I'm not worried if I lose $1,400 because I'm well up at the moment. So let's keep this trade going. I think we're going to be okay for this. It looks very strong, the signal that I can see there. Both those indicators are giving me a good vibe that I'm going to get this trade. And if we look in the left-hand corner, I said the right-hand earlier, but it's not. It's the bottom left-hand corner. If you look in that bottom left-hand corner, they'll start to come in now. So how fantastic is that? $4,784 in less than 7 minutes. If you want to learn this stuff, below this video, you'll find a link. Click that link. It's going to take you over to a page where you can put your name and your email address in, and I'll send you my free video course on how to do this stuff. This can be a real life-changing income. You can get set up for free. You could set a demo account up so you don't have to trade with any money at the moment, because I want to get you making money with free money, and then you can go to live trading. Click the link below if you're interested in learning how to trade. You have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.